Hi, I'm Doug Morris. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the IMAS Data Management Suite. This video is actually going to focus on what I believe is the most powerful portion of the suite, the iSchedule product, which allows you to schedule your updates using the Data Management Suite. Specifically, in this case, we're going to talk about using iUpdate Cloud, and we're going to schedule a job we made with that. Let's first make a quick update using iUpdate Cloud. I've got a fundraiser, and she'd like to know the general fund giving of every person out there. Well, I can run a query, she can run a query, but she'd like to have it on a screen so it's instantly there. She can use it in all sorts of queries and reports, and in fact when she's talking to a prospective donor. So we're going to choose this query, which is a total of all general fund giving for each member in IMAS. And I can see that I've got an ID and an amount coming back from my IQA, and I'm going to choose an update or create. We're going to quickly do our mappings now. First thing we do is our source. This is being stored in a panel, and I'm going to store this in the financial history panel. And from here, I'm going to choose the ID, and we're going to choose the ID from our IQA, and we're going to match on that because we're going to go ahead and update or create that record in the panel if it doesn't exist. Save. The last thing we need to do is map the amount. That's pretty straightforward, general fund giving. And we're going to hit save. Right now I can hit submit. The IQA is going to run. It's going to calculate the total giving for the general fund for every person in IMAS, and it's going to update their financial panel, if you will, the financial history. I could hit submit and it would be done. But I'm going to schedule this as a task because I want this to update on a regular basis. I don't want to have to go run this for my favorite coworker on a regular basis. So I'm going to hit Schedule Builder, and I'm going to say, let's run this every day, and we're going to run it at 4 a.m. UTC. Let's create a name here. This is the update General Fund Giving. And for Marcia, because I want to know who I did it for, updates the financial history panel. Oops. There we go. This is ready to go. I hit save. This is going to run at 4 a.m. UTC along with all of the other tasks. This is iSchedule right here. You can see I've set up a bunch of other tasks to run as well. I'm going to drop members for non-payment. I'm going to set member category. I'm going to update the general fund giving. I actually want to know how much they've spent with my organization. I've got that here as well. And some of these are actually scheduled to run. Some are not scheduled to run. They're actually out here. I can run them at any time just by hitting go, but I can also schedule them. So that's the very, very powerful feature of iSchedule, which is new to the IMAS Data Management Suite. If you have any questions, sales@csiinc.com. Support, if you've purchased the product and need any kind of help, that's included with your subscription. All of our documentation is available at docs.csiinc.com. And the most important link, of course, is the order link. csiinc.com/order if you want to go ahead and add this to your existing IMAS Data Management Suite subscription, or you want to license one or more of the products I've shown today. Thank you so much for your time.